It's me. I just got my computer. I just got delivered for my computer component stuff. In here, there's like CPU, motherboard, RAM, like all other stuff. Let's see how I can build it. After you put the CPU in here, you normally have to put the cooler with this. You have to put the you have to attach the cooler first on here, but I have the M.2 SSD, so I'm gonna put it on here first, and then I'm gonna do the cooler thingy. Ooh. This is my first time, so it's pretty hard. So cooler is done. So now it's time to do the lamp. This is Samsung DDR4. Samsung DDR4 4 gig. This is pretty easy. Pretty easy. So what we have done is we put the CPU first, and then SSD, and then cooler, and then RAM. If you don't until this stage, you've done like half, at least right now.